Okay, hi everyone. Now we continue topic 5, mathematics of finance. In this subtopic, in this topic, we have 4 subtopics, which is the first one is simple interest, right? The second one is about simple discount, and then compound interest. Last but not least, annuity. At the end of this lesson, students should be able to, the first one, find the simple interest and the total amount. The second one is find exact and ordinary interest. And the last one is solve problems involving finding times, simple interest rate, and principal. Alright, number 1. Interest actually is the fee charged for having the use of money. And then the total amount of money borrowed or invested is called the principal. Interest that is paid solely on the principal is called simple interest. Okay, for example, if you get a loan from a bank, right? This is you get loan from bank. So you are charged interest for using the bank's money. And then the next example, if you invest your money in a saving account, the bank will pay you interest for using your money. So in this case, two important things about simple interest. Right? The first one, interest that is paid based on principal. So the key word here is based on principal. And then the interest is not reinvested. So the interest earned each period based on the original principal. The computation of simple interest is based on the following formula. The first one, I is equals to PRT. Right? The second one, the amount of money is equals to the principal, and then we plus with an interest. Or the amount of money is equals to principal multiplied with 1 plus RT. And then I represent simple interest. P is represent principal or present value. The small letter r is simple interest rate per year. S is amount, simple amount. And T is time in years. The principal is borrowed or invested. Okay, look at notes number 5. In the calculation of the interest, it depends on the period of the investment or loan in years. Alright? In order to convert from days to years, so now we have two different conversion can be considered in terms of time value money. The first one is exact interest. The exact time is equals to the number of days, and then we divide with 365. While the ordinary interest which is the number of days we divide with 360. And then, if the problem does not mention either to calculate exact simple interest or ordinary simple interest, so we shall favor the ordinary simple interest, which is divided by 360 days. In the real situation, let's say the principal is 1,000 ringgit and the interest rate is 10%, okay, 10% of 1,000. At the end of the year, the interest amount is Rm 100. And then the total amount is 1,000 plus with 100, which is 1,100 in the first year. Let's say we want to find in the fourth year. So 1,100, we add with 100 here. So the total amount in the second year is 1,200. And then we plus with another interest. So we get 1,300. Okay, within 4 years, the total amount is Rm 1,400. Okay, or we can substitute in the formula given by the question. So now we have S is equals to P1 plus RT. And then in this case, our principal is 1,000. The interest rate is 0.1. And then the number of years is 4 years. So the total amount after 4 years, within 4 years, is Rm 1,400.